The genocide trick for the diabolo. How do you do it? Well, this is how it goes. Okay, so how do you do it? Pretend this diabolo is spinning. What you do is you throw it up and at head height catch it from the underside of the string of the diabolo, or sticks, and bring it down. Your arm should be crossed like this. Next, you throw it up in the air and let go of your right stick. Catch the diabolo from underneath as it's going around in a circle, and make sure the right stick goes, or right string goes over the left stick. Swing the diabolo around anti-clockwise and you'll have done the trick. So I'll show you again. So that's how it goes. Thank you for watching. Bye.